magkapatid tayo. Amen. Please stay in the middle po. Don't stand yet on the sides because we will still be doing praise and worship. So once you have put your stuff on the sides, please come to the middle. Just stay. Keep your gloves with you. Don't lose them. And make sure you have washed your hands po. And make sure to fellowship with other churches too. Sige po, pumalakpak ka mga excited! Let's make room po. Let's make some room for the people who are coming in. Please, let's all stay in the middle po again. Because we're still moving. Praise and worship. Don't touch the food po. And you can take pictures and take selfie. But please keep your gloves with you as well. Make sure you have sanitized and wash your hands properly. Pwede na rin daw po pala dito sa bandang front. Some people can also stand here on the front as well because we will be doing it face-to-face anyway. Kabilaan po yan. So for those people po, sige kahit dito po yung iba. Yan.